The master controller offers an effect generator for users to create the exciting light shows. After select the features, for example these 8, I can locate them. And then you can select the option here, Effect. Now you can see the effects will list on this menu. You can press page up and down to search different effects. Besides, you can select this menu bar, and here will list different kinds of the effects. And if you need any kind, you can select the options. For example, I select intensity. Now, you will find here these all dimmer effects only. If you have select any effect, for example, dimmer, the one we had select will show on this part. On the top left, it shows how many features it is running. And you can run different kinds of effects together. For example, I use circle. Now you will see circle and dimming is running together. Here, totally can run 8 different kinds of effects. If any effect you don't like, you can press delete effect or delete all. For example, I don't want the dimmer. I select it first and then delete effect. Now you'll see the circle is left. After select the effect you need, you can adjust the parameters like size, speed, and spread by these 3 wheels. Besides, select the effect attribute here can turn to other parameters. Here we offer speed group, bulk group, and wide. The speed group can separate the features into several groups. Each group runs in the same speed. For example, I set to 2 and set to 3. Please notice, when you had adjusted this option, the spread will become disabled. The bulk group needs to set the spread first. When you have adjusted this option, the number of closed features will run in the same speed. For example, if I set to 2, the closed 2 will run together. But if I set to 3, the closed 3 will run together. The wide option is coming soon. Besides, if you had adjusted the effect and want it can be used in the future, you may save it as the user effect. For example, I adjust 1. Now I want to save this effect. I can press Edit User Effect. and then select the first one. You may enter a name, for example, keyboard. I type in circle. Two. B. Enter. And exit. Convert. If you feel like this effect, you can return and then save to the playback. For example, I save here and clear. Now you can have a look. This is the effect I just saved. Just now, we have saved this effect, and I want this group of features use the same effect. So I can enter the effect and use the circle 2B I just saved. You may find this effect is like the one I saved just now. So I can return and save on 2. Clear. Now I can run them together. That's all for the effect. After you save the shape effect, all parameters of shape are fixed, which not allowed to adjust again. However, we had a setting allows you to use the fader to control its speed and size. You can press playback parameters and then select the cue. On this option, you can select which effect you want to change. For example, I want the effect speed size by fader. Exit. And now, if I fade in the fader, the effect size and speed will depend on the position of the fader. That's all for the effects.